Rollout. Premiered 1973. In Pursuit of Peace. Premiered 2001. Tenko. Premiered 1981. Island at War. Premiered 2004. Convoy. Premiered 1965. Broadside. Premiered 1964. Fortunes of War. Premiered 1987. Wish Me Luck. Premiered 1988. Land Girls. Premiered 2009. Manhattan. Premiered 2014. World on Fire. Premiered 2019. Blood and Iron, the story of the German war machine. Premiered 1995. Garrison's Guerrillas. Garrison's Guerrillas. X Company. Premiered 2015. More X Company 85 of 97. The best historical drama TV shows 28. 104. The best espionage TV shows 27 of 63. The greatest period TV shows set in the 40s. Jericho. Premiered 2006. More Jericho 53. 313. The best sci-fi television series of all time. 22 of 538 TV shows cancelled before their time. 215 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. The Sullivans. The Sullivans. Czterej pancerni by Heights. Premiered 1966. The Liberator. The Liberator. The Price of Peace. Premiered 1997. Bomb Girls. Premiered 2012. Allo Allo. Home Fires. Premiered 1980. Catch-22. Premiered 2019. Dad's Army. The Gallant Men. Premiered 1962. McHale's Navy. Premiered 1962. More McHale's Navy. 255 of 474. The funniest TV shows of all time. 143 of 305. The greatest sitcoms in television history. 538 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch. The World Wars. War and Remembrance. The Rat Patrol. The Rat Patrol. Hogan's Heroes. Premiered 1965. More Hogan's Heroes, 21 of 76. The best CBS shows of all time, 97 of 140. The worst TV series finales ever. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Premiered 1976. 12 O'Clock High. Premiered 1964. The Pacific. The Pacific. Combat. Band of Brothers. Band of Brothers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.